Do your hips always feel tight? No matter how much you stretch, they just never seem to get better. I used to think the answer was simple. I just needed to stretch more. But the more I stretch, the more I realized stretching wasn't going to fix my problem. Today, I'm going to show you 3 exercises that have changed how my hips move. These are not complicated. They take less than 10 minutes. If you do them consistently, you are going to notice that walking, squatting, and even getting off the couch starts feeling a whole lot easier. And stick around for the last exercise because it's the one you are avoiding. Ironically, it's the one that you need the most. This is honestly one of my favorite hip exercises because with one movement, you are going to be training your internal and external rotation. Those are 2 movements that most adults are losing without even noticing. Internal rotation is really important for things like running, squatting, walking. Here's how you're going to do it. Sit on the floor with your front leg bent at 90 degrees. Back leg also bent at 90 degrees. Keep your chest tall. Use your hands behind you for support if you need it. Rotate your hips in a slow and controlled manner towards one side and then go back the other. Do this for 10 repetitions. Once it gets easier, try to use less hand support and pause for 3 seconds in each end position. Now here's the mistake that I see most people make. They rush through the exercises, but mobility is not cardio. Slow it right down. You should feel your hips rotating inwards and outwards. Remember, the slower you move, the more your brain learns that this range is safe. And that's what's going to create long-lasting mobility. Now we're going to make those ranges stronger because flexibility without strength is not very useful. That's where the Cossack Squat comes in. This exercise strengthens your hips through side-to-side movement, which honestly most of us never do anymore. If this feels hard at first, that's normal. Here's how you're going to do it. Stand with a wide stance, wider than your shoulder width, and shift your weight slowly towards one side. Keep the opposite leg straight but relaxed. Now, only go as slow as you can without losing your balance. You can hold onto a wall, a chair, or a pole for support, or use your hands on the ground if needed, and go back towards the other direction. Do 10 repetitions on each side. Now, once you get more comfortable, try to go deeper on each side and remove your hand support gradually, eventually aiming for smooth side-to-side transitions without stopping. We are always walking forwards, running forwards, cycling forwards, but moving sideways, not so much. That's why this exercise might feel awkward for you at first, and that's completely normal. So at the start, don't worry so much about getting super deep. Just go as low as you can while still maintaining control. Over time, your depth will naturally improve. This exercise looks ridiculously simple, but do not underestimate it. Most adults cannot comfortably spend 30 seconds in this position. Not because our bodies weren't designed to, but because we've stopped practicing this. Believe it or not, in many cultures around the world, especially Asia, people are still using the deep squat as a resting position. But most of us in the Western world have replaced that with chairs. So over time, your ankles, hips, knees gradually lose the mobility of being able to hold a deep squat. So here's what you are going to do. Hold onto a pole, a door frame, or a squat rack if you need to. Keep your feet flat and squat down nice and slow as you can go. Don't force the depth. If your heels lift up, elevate them slightly on a small plate or a book. You should aim for stability here and try to hold that position for as long as you can. You want to be working up towards 60 seconds in a deep squat. Once you get more comfortable, gradually increase your range of motion. Reduce how much support you are having. The goal here is to be comfortable in the deep squat position and not to be tense. It's simply to spend more time in this position. The more relaxed you are, the more relaxed your nervous system becomes. With that, the easier your body will let you move. Here's where most people go wrong. They do these exercises once, they feel a little bit better, then they never do them again. Mobility doesn't work like that. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't brush once and expect your teeth to stay clean forever. Movement and mobility is exactly the same. So here's what you are going to do. With the 90-90 rotations and the Cossack squats, you are going to do 10 repetitions for each side. With the deep squat hold, you're going to be aiming for a 60-second hold. I want you to do 2 sets of each exercise 3 to 5 times a week. This whole routine takes less than 10 minutes. And if you are consistent, within a few weeks, you will notice that your hips will feel smoother and freer. Squatting will feel easier, walking feels more natural, and you won't feel nearly as stiff as you are today. So give these 3 exercises a chance, stick with them for a few weeks, and let your body relearn the movement pattern that it was designed to do. So if this video has helped you, subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, it will support me so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Remember to move stronger and live better.